Hey, you want to hear a joke about pizza? Never mind, it's cheesy. But I'm proud of myself for that. What's something you'd like to say? So I have nothing to say. Alyssa says hi. Right there. This is her hand. She says hi. Alyssa says something. No, you're gonna put stupid effects on me.
What's the point?
Popcorn chicken. What are you doing? Oh God! Stop! Take it off. Stop! I don't like that. What are you doing? No, don't do that.
Actually, he does that on his own.
Why? What? I don't like close-ups.
Let's close up.
My hair's a mess today.
Let's go up then. Down, up, down. Perfect.
That's what she said. Take that hat off of me. Zoom out, like way out.
I don't know how.
Yes, you do. This is your lap. Yes, you do. What's this thing? Oh my God, there's a snake thing.
It's eating
Get
you.
it up.
Look.
Ah. Oh, with my hand, I can put that with my hand. I can put that with my hand. With it real good. Can you please take the zoom out?
I don't know how you do it.
Yes, you do.
Oh, I don't.
Okay, go to that thingy.
Yeah, wait, now I know how.
Yeah, now you know. It's cold in here. Let me get my blanket.
It only goes closer. Oh, there it goes. It zooms out. It doesn't get on its own.
Lord. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
That's cool. What do I say? What do I say? Raise your hand if you voted for Lando Eugene Murphy Jr. You did in your mind. Lando's the best. I kind of wanted Mauricio to win, and Leonid the Great, and Melissa Moore. Is that Sophie Deschanel? What are you doing? Oh, okay. That dress is cute. No, why my cat?
You want to be a baby?
What's the matter with you? What are you doing?
Oh, look at the puppy.
I'm freaking adorable.
Why did you make the puppy cry?
You clicked it! Oh my God. What are you drawing on my face? Oh look, ha ha ha. Hey. Can we wrap this up now? I'm wrapping this up, child.
No!
Ah!
It will stay on forever.
We look really stupid because there's nothing to say.
No.
I want to watch that.
Just gotta get closer to your face.
Oh my God. Joker.
Guys,
The blonde girl's on one of the shows that I watch. Hates and Burls. Also, what is this? Is that the same show, the archaeologist people?